up the car and we're heading to Canberra this weekend to visit our good friends. We're going to have some adventures and we're going to take some pictures. Matilda, Billie and Tom have such a gorgeous friendship. They truly love each other. And I captured this black and white of them a year ago, and then I repeated it when I was down on this trip. And because it's black and white and I sat them in the same places, the only thing that has changed is their age. Matilda spent the whole weekend nurturing Billie. It was absolutely beautiful, and when she wanted to give him his bottle, I just strategically placed the cushion on the couch in the shady spot, not where the bright sunny highlight was. This way I could anticipate that the lighting would be really nice for a picture. I got these beautiful tight black and white images of her with the little hand on his forehead giving him little kisses. It was just so sweet. The use of black and white as the filter helped get rid of any distractions, so you're really drawn to the emotion of these pictures. As you can see behind me where we've been shooting, we have a lot of busyness. For example, the electrical poles, some, council obstructions, you call them. So what I've been trying to do is just shoot along the plain pathway, keeping it very simple, so as we don't have too many distractions and yucky things coming out of our background, basically. I find when I'm taking pictures of kids, it's really great to capture their expression when they're in the middle of their action. Matilda and Billie are walking up this hill towards me. They're having a cute little conversation. Matilda's guiding him. So I'm just going to capture this as it happens. I'm not going to stop them and make them look at the camera or distract them. I just want this little moment. The pair of them have been walking in and out of some really bright sunny patches, and then you can see there's some shady spots created by those gum trees on the side of the track. So I'm going to take my picture when they're in the shady spot. This way they won't have squinty eyes and they'll have nice light on their faces. You'll be able to see their expression, and also the colour ends up looking a lot nicer. With the kids riding the bikes, we've had to keep up with the fast-paced movement and the odd crash here and there as well. Oh, and not to mention the tantrums. There's always something happening when you're photographing kids. So if you can keep moving with them, you'll capture things sharper. So that's my tip when photographing movement. Don't stay static, move along with them and pan, and you've got a better chance of capturing a sharp image. We've had lots of fast-paced bike riding and crashes. Uh-oh. Better go help me. Tantrums. It's a part of childhood. Capture every moment. I'm the worst parent ever. Even the dog had a tantrum this holiday. With the technology we have on our phones and cameras these days, believe it or not, there's just enough light from that little lamppost to take a gorgeous picture at nighttime and illuminate Matilda's face, and we don't have to use a flash. How cool is that? Try hold your camera real steady in situations like this so that you don't get excess movement because it's such low light. Have your subjects close to the light source. In this case, it's the fire, but don't catch on fire. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you've enjoyed this week's episode. If you would like notifications of when my episodes come in, please hit the red subscribe button. It's for free and you'll be up to date with all the episodes, or you can simply just search for my name, Claire Oliver Photographer.